My house. I live with my family in our house in the city of Chandigarh, which is located in the north of my country called India. In my house, there are 3 floors, a garage, a swimming pool, and a large garden. In my garden, I like to do some gardening on the weekends to relax. My house is big and it is covered with plants everywhere. It is cream in color. On each floor, there are 3 bedrooms. My bedroom is on the first floor where I have a bed, a closet where I put my clothes and shoes, and a study table where I study and work. Apart from the bedrooms, there is a dining room and a kitchen downstairs on the ground floor where we cook every day and eat together. There is a dishwasher, a microwave, a refrigerator, and an oven, a blender, etc. in the kitchen. There are 2 washrooms on each floor. The main bedrooms have attached balconies on the first and second floor. The balcony in my room has a view of the garden downstairs. My house is very comfortable and I try to keep it clean.